All right. A quick intraday update because I have places to be this evening. So you will see price moving around as we talk about the chart. And if you didn't watch last night's episode, there was a lot of important talking points I said, especially about after hours price action. I witnessed a lot of people getting bearish simply because there was a pullback in the after hours, and there's just not enough liquidity with those wide bid-ask spreads to put a lot of weight on that. That's why I always tell you only go by the closing price. And in the Discord server, I was actually buying the dip in the after hours because SPY did close above 556 and NVIDIA's earnings were very good. So I did not see the dip as an opportunity to panic. I saw it as an opportunity to get a low risk long entry. Now that did pay off because today we did gap up. So as I said last night, if we do not open down below 556 on SPY, I did believe it was advantageous to stay bullish. And at this point, you can see that 20 daily moving average is about to cross above the 50 with the full bull trend, and price is above all the moving averages. So it does look very probable that SPY can push to that brand new all-time high price target, but we will need proof, which will be the break of the top of the range at 565. And tomorrow we do have PCE data, so we could gap up and get that breakout tomorrow. And that will trigger a short squeeze as the market gets a lot of liquidity from bears running for the door. And remember, when bears are getting squeezed, they become net buyers as they have to cover their short positions. So I really see no reason to be bearish unless SPY breaks below 556. So I'm going to keep it that simple, and I'm going to continue to stay bullish above 556 and continue to lock profits near the top of the range and wait for the breakout. If you keep it that simple, I think you'll do very well. And I really want to look at the Dow Jones today because we did get that bull breakout. And I told you if we had this bull breakout above 412, I told you there was a good chance we're going straight to that all-time high price target at 420. And as of now recording this, we are currently right around 416. And we are going to squeeze a ton of bears out. So I'm expecting to see this volume shooting up as the bears are getting squeezed. Expect to see a lot of volume in the Dow Jones as we rocket higher towards 420 and possibly even 424. So keep in mind, the volume is about to spike, and a lot of that is just simply going to be bears getting squeezed out of the Dow Jones who thought this was a double top or a triple top. And of course, we have all of those bears that were calling for a market top after we had the pullback in August. Now, if you are a Stocks Channel Discord member and you have access to the members only video, you knew that I said August was likely going to bamboozle a lot of traders because I saw a lot of weakness in the beginning of the month, followed by this everything rally. And of course, we are now getting that everything rally, and a lot of bears did get bamboozled by it. So stay very objective. We have bull trends across the board, and the Dow Jones is just now starting to break out to an all-time high, which means it's reaching blue skies. And those blue skies should easily take us into the 420s or higher. And then very quickly, I know a lot of you are going to be wanting to know about NVIDIA because it did have such a good earnings. It was still a sell the news event, and now we are getting near a very attractive buy zone, which is going to be where this 20 daily moving average is about to cross above the 50 EMA, and it is also likely going to be a higher low support at 118. And I am going to tell you that is a no-brainer buy that I am going to be taking because that is a very low risk entry for what I believe will be a rocket ride higher towards a brand new all-time high right around 145. And I do think we're going to see that price target in the middle of September, if not by late September. So any pullback on NVIDIA, in my opinion, is an extremely easy buying opportunity for a low risk entry. And I will be looking to buy the dip on NVIDIA, which means even if it goes lower than 118 and comes down towards 109, I will only buy even more of it as I continue to expect that bull run in the 2nd to 4th week of September. I think we're going to have a lot of bullish price action in NVIDIA, and they did confirm they are shipping Blackwell in Q4. So that debunked all of the rumors that it was delayed. And this company has an extremely good growth story with very little competition. And if you haven't done your research about this company, it is a very good company you should be looking at for a growth stock, giving very nice low risk entries as we start to pull back here. So sell the news, in my opinion, is a buying opportunity to get a low risk entry, and that's how I'll be playing NVIDIA stock. So jumping back over the S&P 500, we're just going to stay bullish until the chart tells us to get risk off. Right now, we're still risk on. The August members only video worked out perfectly, which tells me I'm going to have a very good chance to get September right as well. And that September members only video will be coming out sometime this weekend, so look for that as well. And if you want access to the members only videos, my trade ideas, my technical analysis, and all of my intraday updates while the market is open, that is all in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.